Glorious GMMK PRO Prebuilt, black, ANSI, USA layout, Lubed Fox linear switches PBT keycaps, white, high-profile gasket-mounted pre-built premium RGB 75% keyboard. Premium design. Gasket-mounted, 75% fully modular, TKL hot-swappable keyboard, built for everyone. Compatible with QMK and via open-source firmware. Also compatible with Glorious Core software. Gasket-mounted plate design. Naturally dampens keystrokes for a unique haptic and acoustic typing experience. Pre-lubed screw and goat stabilizers. CNC aluminum case, individually machined and engraved, aesthetic high-profile frame, high-quality aluminum. Create a custom mechanical keyboard 75% design. Custom lighting. Signature side lighting panel, fully programmable 16.8 million color RGB. Custom per key RGB 6-pin modular south-facing PCB. Supports 3-pin and 5-pin TKL hot swap mechanical switches. Fully programmable rotary encoder. Removable braided 6 feet. USB-C keyboard cable is included. Details product click link in description. Get best price and discount click link below.